Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing fine and safe. My name is Nirjana Banikya, legal intern at Lexis & Company. Today I'll be discussing one topic from consumer law. I hope you all like it. So guys, today our topic is the rights of the consumers under the Consumer Protection Act 1986. The World Consumer Rights Day has been observed since 1968, and every year it is celebrated on the 15th March. Similarly, the National Consumer Rights Day is observed on 24th December every year, and this day has been celebrated or is been celebrated since the year 1986, and hence we have this Consumer Protection Act 1986. Now guys, let us discuss about the various rights given to the consumer under the Indian law. The Consumer Protection Act 1986 has 6 rights. So let us discuss them. So the 6 rights are: right to safety, right to be informed, right to choose, right to be heard, right to seek redressal, and number 6 is right to consumer education. Now let us discuss them one by one. The first is right to safety. Every consumer will have the right to safety. And what is this right to safety? Well, every consumers or all consumer should be protected from the marketing of hazardous or dangerous products. Now the next is right to be informed. Let us see what is it. So every consumer will have the right to be informed. Now under this right to be informed, what are the factors, what are the things which are involved? So the consumer should be informed about the price, the quality, quantity, potency, purity of the product. So that is what is under the right to be informed right. The next is the third right, that is right to choose. So by the term itself, I think you have got the idea what this can be. So right to choose means every consumer must have the right to choose. Whenever we go to any shop, we go to malls or wherever, any market, we get variety of products. So it is on us what product we want or what product we want to choose. So the consumer must be given the right to choose among the various products. The next is right to be heard. So now what is right to be heard and who will hear? Right to be heard, every consumer must have the right to be heard. Whatever we say, our demands or any complaint, whatever. And this right to be heard by whom? The answer is by the competent authorities. So the next is right to seek redressal. Now seek redressal, these 2 words. Seek means to get, and redressal means, I think you all know that it means say you all want some you have some complaint and you want a remedy. That is redressal. Okay. So this term redressal can be also we can also say this as relief. Relief can also be used for it. So now who will provide us this relief? So in India we have this redressal agencies that provide us with the with this relief. So these agencies are: number 1, Supreme Court; number 2, National Commission; number 3, State Commission; number 4 the district forum, and number 5 the CPC, that is Consumer Protection Council. So these 5 agencies provide us with redressal or relief. I mean to say the consumers. Next up we have right to consumer education. Now guys, you know, education doesn't mean that going to a school or like studying about the rights. No, education can be anything. It is more like creating awareness. So the consumers can be educated by any advertisement or alright, or the means can be like newspapers or television or radio, etc. So through these mediums, through this whatever I said, like television or radio or whatever, so this through these mediums the consumer should be educated. Alright, we are almost to the end of this video, but before ending this video, I would like to discuss about the salient features of the Consumer Protection Act 1986. So number 1, we can definitely say that it is, it protects the consumers. Number 2, it provides with additional safeguards. Number 3, it helps to educate the consumers. And number 4, we can say that it provides redressal or relief. So these are the various salient features of the Consumer Protection Act 1986. And with this, I would like to end today's video. I hope you learned from it, and I will be discussing more topics from consumer law. I hope you liked my video, and for more such legal topics, stay tuned at LexTip. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.